Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. Cheep, 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 cheep. Point, cheep, cheep, cheep. It's Bird Week here at the library, and guess what? We have something so good for you. This is your packet that you can pick up, and when you're finished, you will have a bird feeder, okay? And it will look like that. And then in here also, we have bird seed and a bird craft for you. And this bird craft comes with its very own beautiful colored feathers, and it's a bracelet, so you'll want to make that too. But today I'm going to show you how to make an easy little bird snack. Here's my little red bird right here. Cheep, cheep. Isn't he cute? Oh, maybe it's a she. Yep, it could be a he, a she. It's just a bird. So here's what we need. You'll need strawberries. I'm using little cookies for his nest, and I have some little Google eyes. I have some chocolate chips that we could use for eyes, and I have icing. Now you could use peanut butter, you could use raisins for its eyes, you could use anything you wanted. So what we're gonna do is take a strawberry, and we're just gonna cut the big end, with a knife just like that, and we'll put that to the side because we're done with it. And then we have our strawberry right here. And what we're gonna do, this is the bird's nest. We're gonna take that, take a little bit, oh, I got a chocolate chip in there. Take a little bit of the icing and put it on here. And like I say, you can use peanut butter or anything you want. I just need a nice, comfy nest for my little bird. Now my little bird is right here. I'm gonna blot off a little bit of the water, and I'm gonna put my little bird right there. There's my bird. Now what's missing? Well, this bird is missing some eyes. Now this bird has candy eyes. But for this bird, oh, I'm going to give this one brown eyes. I like brown eyes. I'm using a chocolate chip. Come here, birdie. Oh, you're so cute. And I'm going to use some more icing and another chocolate chip because this bird needs two eyes. And there's my little bird. And there's a brown-eyed bird and a little bird with candy eyes. And you can make as many as you want. And remember, you can make these with your family, and you can share them and enjoy them. And we hope you have a good time. We have missed you, and we're hoping to see you soon. Don't forget to sign up for the reading program. Bye, guys. Miss ya.